This morning we're finally seeing a little bit of a rebound on Ukraine fears. Turning now to Jonathan Browdy in the Deal's London newsroom, who has more on international markets. Jonathan.
European and Asian markets regained some of Monday's losses this morning as tensions over Russia's invasion of the Crimea subsided somewhat and President Vladimir Putin ordered troops taking part in exercises on the Russian side of the border to return to base. He said military action was not necessary, although Russia retained that option. It's also clear that European governments are less keen than the United States on wide-ranging sanctions and would support visa restrictions and travel bans on key Russians instead. The reasons aren't just military. Russia's a big market for Germany, which is heavily dependent on Russian gas supplies. And Britain's stance leaked out last night after an official was caught on camera going into the Prime Minister's office with a briefing note, saying the UK should not support, for now, trade sanctions or close London's financial centre to Russians. Moscow's MICEX composite index, which lost 10.8% on Monday, had regained over 5% by early afternoon there. International companies with exposure to the Ukraine among those that led yesterday's falls and bounced back on Tuesday. They included Russian miner and steelmaker Evraz, Danish brewer Carlsberg, and Austria's Raiffeisenbank, which has a big presence in the Ukraine. Meanwhile, with the crisis already in its second day, markets were beginning to look back to local matters. The biggest riser in London was industrial equipment rental company Ashtead Group, which rose over 9% after unveiling strong results and lifting its full-year profit guidance. And a strong February construction industry purchasing managers report from Market pushed up stocks in that sector, despite the wet weather. Building supplies group Travis Perkins was up 3.2% by late morning. That's all from me in London. John, back to you in New York.
Thank you very much, Jonathan. That was Jonathan Browdy reporting from the Deal's London newsroom.